with two girls or two guys?
Two girls.
I'm gonna ask again. So with two girls or two
Two
guys?
girls. Oh,
That is a lie.
Y'all y'all said I don't like women. As much butts I done licked and kissed tonight. Well, go then. Your boo didn't taste good anyway. I told her to tell you that.
So,
Go ahead.
that's the last question. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 is how many we got left?
They my friends. They love me. And that's all I want is them.
Chat, I think it's about time to go ahead and end the video and let him pick his match. You ready?
Oh, God. I don't know if I can do it.
Nah, you gonna have to now. Nah.
Can't lie, Mr. Johnson.